Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history by Ojha, sir, step by step. First, begin by deeply analyzing the syllabus and past exam questions to grasp key areas. Next, focus on building a robust conceptual understanding of historical events, rather than just memorizing facts. Finally, learn to interlink various topics, creating a cohesive timeline for better retention and analytical skills. This foundational approach is crucial for mastering history. A core principle involves prioritizing the causes and effects of major historical events. This helps you understand the why behind developments. Additionally, effectively use maps and diagrams to visualize geographical contexts, which is vital for understanding movements and empires. Consistent revision of your notes is also essential to reinforce learned information and ensure long-term memory retention. This structured approach makes complex history manageable. For effective learning, create your own concise notes. These become invaluable for quick review sessions. Next, actively practice writing answers to potential questions, which significantly improves your articulation and the structure of your responses. Furthermore, engaging in group discussions can provide diverse perspectives and deepen your understanding of complex historical debates. These techniques are proven to enhance both comprehension and recall. To advance your study, critically analyze both primary and secondary sources to develop a nuanced understanding of historical narratives. Also, identify recurring themes and patterns across different eras. This reveals deeper historical insights. Remember, a clean study space helps focus. Speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's designed to make your life easier, just like these study tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.